posting your affiliate links, people are seeing your content, but nobody is buying, not one sale. And it's frustrating because it feels like you are doing everything right. But here is the truth you need to know: it is not your audience, it is not the algorithm. It is one small mistake you keep making before you drop those affiliate links. Fix this, and your links will start converting almost immediately. Now, the truth is that you're not unlucky, you're not shadow banned, and your audience, they are not broke. You are just missing one simple thing, and it takes less than 60 seconds to fix it. So, if you're a creator, a freelancer, or a small business owner trying to make money online, affiliate marketing should actually be one of the easiest income streams to tap into, because there is no product creation, there's no inventory, there's no customer service. Just recommend and earn. But most people never see results, not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because they are doing it the same way everybody is doing it. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking this down for you: why your affiliate links are not converting, the psychology behind why people don't buy from you, and the 1 minute fix that can instantly increase your conversions. So let's get right into it. Here's the thing: your affiliate links are not converting because you're asking people to buy before they trust you. That's it. Most people treat affiliate links like a shortcut to money. They drop a link and expect people to click and purchase immediately. But think about your own behavior online. When was the last time you saw a random link and thought, let me spend some money right here, right now? Exactly. People don't buy because you posted a link. They buy because they believe you understand their problem. They believe your recommendation is genuine, and they believe that the product will actually help them. So, without all this, your link is just noise. Now, let's call it out. Here are the common mistakes killing your conversions. One, you are leading with a link, not with value. You are saying something like, here is the link, instead of, here is why this matters to you. Number two, you sound like an advert. People can smell sales mood instantly, and when they do, they scroll. Number three, you are not showing proof. We can't see results, we can't see experience. No story, it's just vibes and a link, and that does not convert. Number four, you are assuming that your audience already understand the product. They don't. And if they don't understand it, they won't buy it. Now, people don't buy products, they buy outcomes. They are asking, will this solve my problem? Will this make my life easier? Can I trust this person's recommendations? If your content doesn't answer those questions, then your link will sit there untouched. Also, people need context. A link without context is like handing someone a key without telling them what door it opens. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for. The fix is simple. Before you drop your link, answer one question: why should they care? That's it. In under 60 seconds, you should be able to clearly explain what the product does, who it is for, and what result it gives. Now, let me show you the difference. Before, what most people would do is this: here's the link to this course, check it out, and that's it. Now, this is what converts. If you're struggling to get clients as a beginner, this course breaks down exactly how to land your first 3 clients, even if you have no experience. I used this exact method when I started and it worked. The link is in my bio. Can you see the difference? Same product, different framing. One feels random, the other feels relevant. And here's a quick formula that you can start using immediately. Number one, call out the problem. For example, struggling to grow your Instagram? That's the problem you are calling out. Number two, introduce the solution. For example, this tool helps you to plan and automate your content in minutes. Number three, add your experience or proof to it. For example, I've been using this for 3 months and it has saved me hours every week. Number four, drop the link. So you can say something like, the link is in the bio. And that's it. No long speeches, just clarity. If your affiliate links aren't converting, it is not because you need more followers. It is just because your message is not clear enough. So fix the message and the sales will follow. If this has helped you, please make sure to subscribe because I break down simple, practical ways to make money online without the fluff and the bluff. So if you want to get your first affiliate sales fast in the next 24 hours or less, then this video right here should be your next watch.